Welcome back. You're still with us on markets today. What a day it was for the bulls. After 8 days of drubbing, the bulls actually fought back today. 150-point gain on the Nifty, led by the Nifty Bank, the Nifty IT Index, and the mid-caps doing extremely well. Let's talk about the fourth headline today. Axis Mutual Fund front-running case has taken a new turn. The SEBI has released an interim order barring Axis MF's former chief trader and 20 other individuals related to him from the securities market. Shivani Bajaj is standing by with the details of that. Shivani.
The Securities and Exchange Board of India has barred former chief trader of Axis Mutual Fund Viresh Joshi and 20 other individuals from dealing in the securities market in connection with the front-running case at Axis Mutual Fund. SEBI released an interim report which noted that these individuals made a wrongful gains worth rupees 30.5 crores from front-running activities. SEBI has asked the 21 individuals to repay the wrongful gains made by them in 15 days and has directed banks to not allow any debits from the accounts of these named individuals. Axis Mutual Fund in its statement has said that the findings and direction of the interim order have no impact on their operations and the AMC will continue to cooperate with the authorities in the matter. Axis Mutual Fund and its former chief trader Viresh Joshi came under SEBI's front-running scanner in 2022, following which the fund house sacked Viresh Joshi. SEBI's investigation shows that soon after the Axis Mutual Fund orders were placed, Viresh Joshi and many other individuals connected to him squared off their positions in the market and made profits by placing orders ahead of the price movement.
Shivani, thanks a lot for that. Let's move on. JSW Energy says that the overall rise in power demand has worked in favor of the company. Speaking to CNBC-TV18, Prashant Jain of JSW Energy says that in February alone, the company saw close to 8% growth in power demand.
Power demand is going pretty robust this calendar year and this financial year. So far, we have seen 10% power demand growth, and that's where the situation is. And we are seeing early onset of the summer. And that's why you saw the power demand growth in the month of February, also 7.5% to 8%. We are a growing company and we see a huge opportunity in power sector in time to come. You can expect that whatever opportunities on the table, we may be looking at it. This particular asset is having close to 18 SPVs, and then we have to work on individual SPVs. So it takes a little bit more time, but things are progressing well, and we will be concluding this transaction in this financial year. And as we have also given the guidance that within 12 months, we will improve the EBITDA by 450 crore, that will be achieved sooner than what we have articulated.
The fifth headline today, Chinese factory output has risen to its highest level seen since April 2012, with the manufacturing PMI reading of 52.6 compared to 50.1 in January. Remember, a number upwards of 50 indicates expansion and below that indicates contraction. The surprise boosted metal prices, which in turn helped the metal stocks in India gain in trade. Manisha Gupta joins in with more. Manisha.
It has been a strong comeback for the metals as a sector, where you have ferrous and non-ferrous, both these sectors doing quite well for themselves. So one, it has been about the Chinese data, which came in much better than the street expectation. So in the month of December, we saw 50.1 as the China PMI, which for the month of Feb has gained up to 52.6. That clearly has been supportive. Street, remember, for some time now has been looking for cues and sustainability in sense of China's economic growth and buying in sense of metals as well. And that came in via this data. The second is the US dollar index, which has come off its 7-week highs, and that has been supportive too. And the money managers who actually sold off metal holdings in the month of Feb also are coming back quite strongly right now. And that is what we saw on the first day of the March. Remember, in Feb, we saw many of these metal prices, including copper, which fell 6%. It was 10 to 12% of a decline for zinc and aluminum as well. Iron ore prices fell 2.5%. Steel was the only one which was standing tall for the month of Jan and Feb, but March also has seen some more buying come back in steel, and in addition to all of these other metals who posted very strong gains in the day.
Heavy metal, that was the music that played in markets today. But let's move on. Packaging company Uflex surged over 7% in trade today. The company informed the exchanges that tax authorities have not seized anything incriminating, and all books of accounts of the company were found to be in order. Remember, the company also denied reports of alleged bogus transactions during the week-long raid, as a result of which the stock rallied today. With that, we're out of time on this edition of Markets Today. Thank you for watching.